I'm gonna fix this chair. Come with me down this hallway. All the way down this spooky one to the door on the left. But first things first, I gotta disassemble this chair, take some screws out, and get rid of a couple brackets. Here we go. Try to do this fast, fit it all in a 3-minute video. These brackets come off. I got some tools set up. Here we go. All right, brackets are off. Now I gotta just peel off every single one of these little staples. This is the most tedious part of the whole process. And then once I got this, I can lay it out, trace my fabric, and cut it out and reinstall. Here we go.